Okay, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert the HTML for just a moment. Here I have the index.html page. You can see we have it here. And basically all I'm going to do, and right here I've created a empty header.php, index.php sidebar, right sidebar footer, style.css, which is the original style sheet, and then also functions.php. Let me just move that here. So over here I'm using Dreamweaver Snippets. So what I've done is created a bunch of little blocks of code, and you can instead of having to rewrite the code over and over, I can just pop this snippet in. So this is for a custom fields. I can just pop and I've got it there, and then I can just go ahead and edit it a little bit. You don't do this for everything, but for some of the tasks that you do over and over again, you can use these snippets. So watch how quick that I convert this theme into a WordPress theme. So I'll go ahead and I'm just going to take this header. Let's see here. Okay, so entire header right there. I'll just copy that, come over to header.php, and the first thing I'm going to do is pop in my header.php code. Just pop that in, then I can just pop in this, save it. So now there's header.php, and we're going to index.php, and we're going to go ahead and get the header. And get the footer. And then let's come back over here and grab this content. So I'll just copy that, pop that in there. Finally, let's go ahead and get the footer. And I'll come over here to footer.php, pop this in there. Right here after the right before the body, go ahead and pop in the footer detect. Save it. Now I'll come in here and let's get these sidebars out of here. Right sidebar, boom. Here's the right sidebar. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get that there. Go ahead and pop this code into the right sidebar, save it. Right sidebar.php. Now let's find the sidebar. So this one is column L. There we go. we go. Now let's pop this code into the sidebar. And finally we have the style.css. I've already popped the head code in there. So now let's come over, refresh. Now let's upload the theme to the server. So now that that's uploaded, we come back and take a look. Here's our theme. So as you can see, there's a lot missing. First thing I'm going to have to do is update that style sheet. Take a look at style.css, and right here the images are looking up a directory, so I'm just going to seek for that. I'm going to replace it with nothing. Replace all. There we go. All instances are replaced. Save. Upload to the server. And let's check. Refresh. Okay. So we got some of them. Now we need to get all of the others. So I'm going to do a search for, let's take a look inside index.php. Okay, so now we have all of these right here. They need to be updated. And we're going to do this for all open documents. Replace all. I'll just close out index.html. We don't need that. And I'm going to save all. And now let's re-upload. Let's take a look. So I get the dimensions off this image. 195 by 52. We go on the header.php. There's the logo. Let's get rid of that. And it is 195 by 52. Normally I'll just put in the height. That way it doesn't break the width of the theme. And then for the alt, I'll just pop in the site name. Save it. Upload it to the server. Let's come back and take a look. Refresh and it's gone. Now let's go ahead and upload a logo. I'll just grab a, make sure it's a PNG. And put a logo. Alright. Let's update this. There we go. So, you know, the thing is, I mean, and then you just simply come through and finish it off. So, for example, with the sidebar, we've got all this. I'm going to go ahead into functions.php. I'm going to go ahead and pop in for widgetization. Let's drop down the line. Drop down. Multiple, excuse me. There we go. Alright. And so now we have the left sidebar. And then we have the right sidebar. I'm going to just adjust these. So we have sidebar nav. It's being before the widget. Get rid of all the rest of this. Then here, let's just make it H2. Okay, so that's going to be for the left. Here, I'll just pop in the and then this is left sidebar. Go ahead and save that to the server. And then we'll go ahead and register the right sidebar. So it's this. In fact, all of this can be taken away. And there we go. So now we've got the sidebars. This graphic right here should be capable of being updated from the admin. This menu right here, go ahead and get that in. Dynamic menu, save and upload, and we come over in functions.php. There's that. Upload that. Refresh. There we have it. Next, let's go ahead and get the image right here in there. So where is that at? Let's see. It's probably an index. Add box. Here we are. So let's go ahead and grab the admin panel, theme options, custom logo, actually, you know what, instead of that being an upload, how about if we make this one a text area? So I'll just copy that, but I still want to put it directly below the logo. There we go. .574 by 200. Save it, upload, come back into index, so now just put some code in there. I can pop their little AdSense code in there and it'll display. Next, let's go ahead and get this menu working. So you're going to use top nav. I'm just going to throw another page on there. Just to make sure that it's okay. There we go. That's all fine. Let's compare this to the original. Oh, that's fine. Okay. This area right here, we're going to make this area pull from WP e-commerce. I mean, not WP e-commerce, but OS commerce. All of this should, this entire area right here. So next we just need to get going the internal page. So now let's go ahead and create a content area. In the last video we made we set this part of the theme up. We did the logo, the navigation, and the sidebars, and this area right here for an ad. Now let's go ahead and replace these. This will display on the home page, but let's make all other pages show as the page content. So I'm going to go and find the gallery. Okay, so it's going to be in index.php. Product gallery right here. And I'm actually going to collapse outside the full tab. Now I'll just take all of this, get rid of it, just drop down, and let's pop the page.php content code in there. Save it, upload it to the server. So now when we click on one of these links, for example, click on sample page. Oh, sorry, wait a minute. I didn't mean to save that. I actually meant to save that as page.php. So now let's upload it to the server. And when we click on sample page, now we see the content. And we'll come back and fix those styling issues. So now let's go back, and I'm going to just undo what I did to index. And let's save this as home template. And let's make it a template page. Like I said, this will be pulling from OS Commerce. So we're not going to do much to this. Save it. So now, okay. And now let's go ahead and create a home page. Static home page. Well, first I have to create the page. Select the home template, publish it, set it as home. So now we refresh. We have that area. Go to sample page, and we've got the content. Okay. So now we'll just go ahead and grab page.php and I'm going to save it as single.php. Here's the gallery. We can just collapse outside full tag, get rid of this, and pop in the single.php content code.